Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. Please do excuse, I'm a little windblown. Just went and got my nails done. Sorry about not uploading for the weekend. It was my father's birthday, so we did that. I will say I did test out the Morphe 9R Bronze Metal Palette. That is what I have on my eyes today. I will say that the browns in here were not as light as I thought they were going to be. It looks like a nice transition to dark, but it kind of just all goes dark. I mean, I even use this one as my bronzer today, so I like the palette. The shimmers in it are very pretty, and I've had this makeup on for about 2-3 hours now, and it has held up, so I do like the palette. I didn't do a whole video just because I wanted to test it out on my own, give it some longevity wear time, see how that went down. So coming back from getting my nails done, I did check the mail and my Boxycharm add-ons were in there. So I wanted to go over those with y'all and show you what I got. I will say I had a $25 coupon from Boxycharm. Now, I give hundreds of dollars to Boxycharm. So I thought, well, if they're giving me $25, I feel a little bit better about spending some money there. So I did. I got the Advanced Skincare LMS Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. This is a sleeping mask. Now, I love LMS. I learned about LMS through Boxycharm, and I paid $9 for this. Everything is full size, which makes it wonderful. This is what that product looks like. Now, I did not receive this, but I heard so many people talk about it that I wanted to try it. So, that is what it looks like. And it smells great. All of Elements's products smell wonderful, so I can't wait to try that out. Then I finally picked up the Violet Voss Coral Crush palette, and this came in a, what did they call it, perfect pair deal, where I got the Violet Voss Coral Crush palette and the Casa Blush Highlighter Duo for $18. So I could have paid $12 and got this, or paid $18 and got both. So I did the 18 and got both. I'm super excited to have this in my collection finally. Corals and oranges are some of the most prettiest colors ever, and I love Violet Voss, and I don't have hardly any palettes of hers left. So that is what that palette looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to use it. I did wait long enough that I know that some people have this palette already, so if you are those some people, would you comment down below and let me know how it performed for you, what you thought about it? Would you repurchase it? Okay, and then this is the High Pigment Intensity Double Color Payoff. This is a blush and highlighter. It is a cream, and the color is 8th Muse. I think I only have, no, different brand. So I've never tried this brand. This will be my first time trying it. I'm super excited about it. I do like the cream blushes. Cream blush is the Winky Lux. This is the Rose Cream Blush. Super, super beautiful. This is in the color Tea Time. Super pretty blush. So I wanted to branch out and get a different cream blush, which I did. And this is what she looks like. Pretty component. It is plastic, and then when you open it up, those are the colors. So it is a super pretty color. Oh, very, very soft. So there's what the blush looks like, and that is the highlighter. So I can't wait to try that out. I will definitely be using that. Let me find something to wipe my fingers off with. So I hope everybody is having a great day. I am having a wonderful day. I filled out paperwork for a job. I am waiting on my background check to come back and then being called in for orientation. So keep your fingers crossed because I'm super excited about it. The next two things I bought was I bought the July 2020 Premium and the December 2020 Premium. Both of these were $29.99. Now, the reason that I bought these was one of them has the Morphe X Manny MUA palette in it, and the other one has a Vizyart palette. I've never used Vizyart, and I thought, well, if I'm going to pay $18 for an eyeshadow palette, I might as well pay $30 and get 4 more products. So that's the way my mind works. And the $25 off, I will tell you what I spent and then what I got taken off. So I don't know which one is which. I have cut the tape just to save us a little bit of time. So in this one, this is Bubbles and Glitz. I'm going to say this is probably the December box. That looks very Christmas, holiday to me. So the first thing in here is from True and Luscious. This is the Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlighter Palette. Oh, that's super pretty. Okay. Oh, it even has a mirror. Alright, so this is what that palette looks like. It is super, super pretty. I can't wait to use that. This marbled one looks amazing. Like I said, I know that everybody has gotten these boxes and you've tried your products. So if you've gotten any of these, do comment down below and let me know how they worked for you. What did you think of them? Were they worth it? Bubble wrap. Love that. Oh, yay. I got another LMS product. This is the Anti-Aging Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. Anti-wrinkle, multi-use eye mask. For fine lines and tired-looking eyes. Brightens, rejuvenates, and hydrates. So I will definitely always take something else from LMS. And this is an eye mask. I have been using the Mud Masky eye balm. That has been amazing. So I'm not going to open this, but I will show you. This is what the component looks like. Super, super pretty. Their packaging is neat, slick, and simple. I love it. So I will be trying this after the one I have open now. But I'm super excited to get something else from LMS. The next thing is this, and this is 100% natural cuticle oil nourishing. That is what it looks like. It is a roller ball. I do like the cuticle oils and the exfoliating cuticle polish. I love them. I'm all about doing my nails most of the time, but I did go and get them done. I hadn't done that in a while, so that's what we did this time, but I will use that. Then we have It's So Big Volumizing Mascara from Elizabeth Mott. Now, I do have the Marc Jacobs mascara that I'm using at the moment. I'm tired of wasting mascara, so I'm not opening a whole bunch of them, but this is the one I'm using at the moment. And this is what that one looks like. Again, like I just said, I'm not going to open it because I'm using one that actually I like, so we're just going to save that one. The next thing is Crown. This is an All Eyes on You 5-piece luxe brush set for all skin types, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. So these are eye brushes. Can't go wrong with brushes ever. Crown makes some good eye brushes too. So I will definitely be using those. And then the last thing in here, and why I ordered the box, is the Vizyart palette. So this is, I don't know. This is what it looks like. Professional makeup pairs. So like I said, I've never used anything Vizyart. I have bought Vizyart for ex-friends, but I have never tried the brand myself. So I'm super excited to try it. I was hoping for the more colorful one, but this one works. Fall is right around the corner, and this looks like a beautiful fall palette. So I am super excited to try out an $80 palette. I don't think I would pay $80 for it. There was a time I would have, but not anymore. I'm all about saving my money and getting the most bang for my buck anymore. So that was a great box. For 30 bucks, I feel like I got my money's worth. I know it's an older box, and that's okay. The products have just now been opened, and I'm okay with it. So this is the next box. So this would be the July 2020 premium box. And it is Sunshine. If y'all were there for these months, let me know if I made it, if I got it right. So the first thing is this. Oh, this must be a makeup bag. Oh, it feels weird. Okay, well, that is what it looks like. It's got the little puff balls like the Melt Vita palettes had when they came out. Oh, it says Boxycharm on the front. Can y'all see that? It's super cute. All right, well, that makes it a little bit better. And it's pretty good size. So I'm super excited about that. I will definitely use that. I am trying to keep products I get in a box separate from products that I buy for myself or when I get friend mail or that kind of thing. So I try to keep everything pretty much separated. Okay, the next thing in here is from Biro, New York. This is Bitter Green Essence Toner. I remember people talking about this. I am all down for a good toner anytime. If you don't tone your face, ladies, gentlemen, you don't know what you're missing. So this is super, super pretty. I love that color. This looks like the beach spray from Bath & Body Works. Same almost color. Anyway, I will definitely be using this. Oh, it smells good too. So, all about using a toner. The next thing is this, and it is in bubble wrap. And it is Kenna Antivious? Antiveros? This is a blush and shine kit. Yeah. Some of these names, guys, I don't know. I went to school, I went to college, but oh, the packaging is nice. It's like a faux alligator. Oh, those are pretty. Okay, and this is what that palette looks like. So super, super pretty colors. I'm not sure if I will keep both blush highlighting face palettes. I don't know if I necessarily need both of them. So I will figure that out at a later date. But there is that. Then we got the Line and Define Laura Geller Dual Dimension Eyeliner in the color Black Gold. So I'm a little concerned with what that means. Oh, cool. Okay, so one side is black and one side is gold. Oh, it's a fine tip point. I like that. Oh, what are you? Okay. And then it's like the crayon eyeliner on the other side. That's awesome. I like that. I will definitely be trying that out. Definitely. Then we got Fully Fire. These are Expensive Habits. They are lipsticks. There is the shades of them. And they come in a set of 3. And they don't want to come out. Okay, so this one is Sunset Boulevard. Oh, cute packaging. Love that. Super sleek. That's a pretty color. True to color. Alright. This one is Here to Slay. Gotta love that name. Again, the packaging. I love the packaging. This is a red. Again, true to color. And this one is Full House. This looks like a browner, darker brick mauve color. Oh, yeah, it's a pretty, I don't know, let's see. Oh, I like that. That too is true to color. So those are the 3 colors that were in there. Those are super, super pretty. Super, super will go with fall. So excited about that. I am running out of room. Okay, and then the last thing in here, of course, the other reason why I ordered this box is the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam palette. Now, I know this is Morphe based, whatever. I have been wanting this palette for a long time. Well, I guess over a year now. So, and I never bought it. I never picked it up. And I don't know why, because it is stunning. I know it's like a natural, neutral color story, but oh, it just, it speaks to me, so I can't wait to use that. All right, guys, so that is what I picked up from my Boxycharm add-on, pop-up, whatever, for July of 2021. I think I did amazing. I got 12, 13, 14, 15 products in total, and my total came out to $86.98. And then I had the $25 off coupon from Boxycharm, which brought my total to $67.09. $5.11 for shipping to the state of Arkansas. I think I did great. I'm super excited with everything I got. Comment down below and let me know what you got. Have your add-ons pop up, whatever came in yet. Are you still waiting on them? And let me know how you're doing. Let me know how your weekend was, what you're planning for this coming weekend, all that. I like to hear from y'all. I would like to leave y'all with a quote I seen the other day, and I'm going to start ending my videos with it because I found it super helpful. I still am in the process of finding myself and coming to terms with what my life is now. So the quote that I am going to start ending with is, "Nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says I'm possible." I love that. Say it over and over. Throw your dreams out there. Go for your goals, and don't let nobody stop you. So that's it, guys. If you're new here, thanks for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button. Do give me a like. Comment down below. I love hearing from y'all. The palette that I reviewed, the Morphe 9R, I did get that from Bizybeautystore. Her link is always in my description box. Do go check her out if you're looking for a makeup bundle box. Skincare, makeup, hair care, whatever. My girl's got you covered. So until next time, guys, I love y'all.